To prove solution for this equation is this one, where a and b are arbitrary constants, so I need to differentiate twice. Y differentiate is nothing but y dash, a is constant, e power minus 3x differentiate is e power minus 3x, minus 3x differentiate is minus 3, b differentiate is 0. So arrange it properly, y dash is equal to minus 3a, listen carefully, minus 3a e power minus 3x. So this is y dash. Next I am going to differentiate once again, because arbitrary constant twice, so we need to differentiate twice. So y dash is nothing but y double dash, minus 3a is a constant, e power minus 3x is e power minus 3x, minus 3 differentiate is minus 3. So y double dash is equal to minus into minus plus 9a e power minus 3x. Still a is present. How I can eliminate a? I need to find how to eliminate the a. So a e power minus 3x, a e power minus b y minus b. Once again b comes here. If I going to apply this one, once b comes here. So better I move this equation 1. This is this equation. Y dash is equal to minus 3a e power minus 3x. So I am going to separate y double dash is equal to y double dash is equal to, I cancel this line itself. By cancelling this line, I can easily find the answer. See, minus 3a, a e power minus 3a, a e power minus 3x. Put bracket for this one and minus it right there. Y double dash. What is this one? This one is nothing but y dash. This is minus 3. So put minus 3. So it comes y double dash is equal to minus 3 y dash. Let come this side. Y double dash plus 3 y dash is equal to 0. You know what is y double dash? D square y by dx square plus 3. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx is equal to 0. So we have proved. Hence proved. The main logic I need to adjust here. Sir, we can take from the first equation, but b comes this end, once again b comes here. So avoid b, we need to take this one. Minus 3a e power minus 3x. Minus 3a e power minus 3x nothing but y dash. Y dash into minus 3. Y dash into minus 3, we get answer very easily. So one of the toughest sum to prove. This equation's solution is nothing but this one. So I need to prove the given a is the parameter, arbitrary constant. Y square different, we will keep this equation 1. Y square differentiate is, first bring down the power, 2y. Y differentiate is y dash. 2a is a constant. X differentiate is 1. A differentiate is 0. So 1. So I can cancel this 2 and this 2. So it becomes y dash is equal to 2a. So since still 2a is present, I need to neglect 2a. So keep it as equation 2. Apply 2 in 1. Apply 2 in 1. So y square is equal to 2. What is a here? See, I will take 2a. Full 2a. Y square, 2a. What is a 2a? Y dash. Y dash. But I need to cancel this only a. So how I can write? A is nothing but y dash. What is a 2a? 2a is nothing but 2y dash. 2a is nothing but 2y dash. Open the bracket, x plus. What is a here? A is nothing but y dash. What is present here? This present is nothing but whole power of 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3 also. Close the bracket. So y square is equal to 2y dash. Multiply inside. So x comes. So multiply with this one. 2y dash, y dash whole power of 2 by 3. Listen very carefully. Let this come this side. Y square minus 2y dash into x. Y square minus 2y dash into x is equal to 2. This is y dash whole power 1. Listen very carefully. Y dash whole power 1. This is y dash whole power 2 by 3. So put y dash. This is 1 plus 2 by 3. Add the powers. Y dash whole power 1. Y dash whole power 2 by 3. Add the powers. So y square minus, I can write 2x. 2x y dash is equal to 2y dash. 1 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 3. Because 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. So y square minus 2x y dash is equal to 2 y dash, we will take bracket like this, 5 by 3. What is the problem here? This is still 5 by 3. Denominator 3 is present. So taking cube root on both sides. Taking or otherwise taking cube on both sides. Taking cube on both sides. Not cube root. I am taking cube on both sides. So y square minus 2x y dash the whole cube is equal to 2 cube, open the bracket, y dash cube, otherwise 5 by 3 also, another 5 by 3 into 5 by 3, 3 gets cancelled. So y square minus 2x y. What is y dash? We can take dy by dx the whole cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. Y. What is y dash? dy by dx whole power 5. This one we need to prove. Hence proved. Some of the toughest sum only, we need to know some trick to do this sum. Eighth sum, to prove d square by dx square. See here, b square plus b square y equals 0. So they are not taking b as a constant, taking a as a constant. After taking a as a constant, they are differentiating twice. So keep it as equation 1. Y differentiate is y dash, a is constant, cos bx minus sin bx. Cos is sin, for bx is b. So I can write y dash is equal to minus ab sin bx. So we need to differentiate twice. Y dash differentiate nothing but y double dash. Minus ab is constant. Sin bx differentiate is cos bx. Bx differentiate is b. Bx differentiate is b. So y double dash. Since a is present, I need to neglect a. So what is y? A cos bx. A cos bx. So minus b into b square. Open the bracket. A cos bx. Y double dash is equal to minus b square. A cos bx. A cos bx nothing but y. Now this one moves this side. Y double dash plus b square y is equal to 0. What is y double dash? D square y by dx square plus b square. What is y? Y is nothing but y, equal to 0. So what we need to prove? That we have got hence proved. From this we have finished exercise 10.4. Thank you.